Is there a goal you want to accomplish but you can't just seem to follow through? Maybe you know exactly what you need to do but just can't seem to do it. Perhaps you are frustrated because lack of self-discipline is affecting your confidence, your career trajectory, health, weight or relationship. If you are ambitious and ready to take your life to the next level but just need a little support in the follow through, then watch this video till the end as I share with you how to build self-discipline to excel in life. Have you ever noticed that when you are excited about something or have a significant or compelling goal you are setting out to achieve, you don't need discipline? Let's say you have a wedding or high school reunion coming up and you want to lose weight to look great and fit into a killer dress. Waking up in the morning for a run and skipping dessert just got easier, right? Or let's say your dream job just opened up at work. Getting to work earlier, staying up late and keeping on task doesn't seem so difficult anymore. You see, motivation comes from the root word motive, which is why you are doing something. Knowing your why provides a compelling intrinsic motivation, and it fuels the fire in you and you are likely to stay focused. You don't need someone to motivate you. Your why will give you the inner motivation to always do things on time. Research has proven that our environment affects our choices. Take for example, one study done by Cornell University. The study found out that women who kept soft drink on their counter weighed 24 to 26 pounds more than those who didn't, and those who kept a box of cereal on their counter weighed an average of 20 pounds more than those who didn't, and those who kept fruit on their counter weighed an average of 13 pounds less. The thing is, if you want to eat better, put junk food out of sight. Better yet, don't bring them into the house or office in the first place. If you want to finish that big project for work, secure a conference room. Turn off instant messenger, close down notifications for social media and put your phone in other room. If you are working from home and are easily distracted, go somewhere to focus. Right now I am scripting this video in a cafe near to my house for this exact reason. I didn't try to fight against the temptation in my environment, I just removed myself. Your environment can sometimes be stronger than your willpower, and so it is conducive to the goal you are trying to accomplish. Don't put yourself in the situations that are tempting or distracting. It is always helpful to have an accountability partner. Why do you think so many people hire trainers to stay on top of their fitness goal, coaches to achieve their personal or professional goal, or join club or groups like Weight Watchers? When you are accountable to someone or a group of people for doing what you said you will do, you can easily get stuff done because you engage with the power of social expectation. Commit to someone other than yourself. Find a gym partner. Hire a coach if you can, in order to keep you on track. How do we eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Changes is hard, I know, and our brains are wired to return to what feels comfortable and predictable. Therefore, big changes can be really hard. But if you start slow, you can build momentum without getting overwhelmed. If you want to start working 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, start with 5 minutes a day. If you feel like continuing after 5 minutes, go for it. If you want to start eating better, identify one thing that you can change in your diet. Often when our mind thinks it's going to be easy, it allows us to get started, and you can use that momentum to keep on going. Get started. It doesn't matter how small the action is, as long as you keep going in the right direction. Small changes eventually leads to big results. Remember, actions inspire further actions, and momentum creates more momentum. With this, Lao Tzu said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a one step. Change is hard. New habits are hard. Our minds are wired to familiarity, and if you are doing something new, part of you is going to be fighting against it. You are going to face setbacks and failures. Don't allow obstacles to cause you to give up on your bigger vision or goal. You see, unless you are the most self-disciplined person in the world, which you are not, you are going to hit the snooze button and miss a run. You are going to choose chips over an apple. You are going to lose your temper instead of keeping your cool. It's going to happen. You must forgive yourself and move forward. It's a waste of mental energy to spend time worrying about mistakes and setbacks. You made a mistake, it's over, it's a lesson. Pick yourself up, acknowledge the lesson and move on. Celebrate your success and wins, no matter how small. You are ambitious, you are driven, you are ready to reach your goals. There will always be a reason you can't do something, and there's always a reason you can. You get to choose, so choose self-discipline over comfortability. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Make sure you subscribe in order not to miss our future uploads. And until then, as always, hand to head, salute.